Dive into the majestic world of penguins, nature's tuxedoed swimmers, pure aquatic elegance. Experience the lively camaraderie of penguin colonies, a lesson in community and cooperation. Discover the culinary adventures of penguins, the ocean's swift and elegant hunters. Explore the nurturing heart of penguin parenting, steadfast guardians of their young. Witness penguins as key players in nature's balance, a vital part of the ecosystem. Learn about the crucial conservation efforts protecting penguins, symbols of resilience and change. Penguins as cultural icons, a beloved symbol of resilience and joyous togetherness. Discover penguins' unique adaptation to saline life, masters of nature's clever design.